Good morning. It's day 2 of full day number 1 park. We're going to, oh, you have to read your letter though, Mom.
Yes, I do.
Do you want to read? Well, anyway, we're gonna go off to breakfast, but she's gonna read her letter or her poem for today. So I don't want to spoil anything until you read it. Okay, read this.
Day 2. We are off on this wonderful morning to have fun and see some animals roaming. We will visit Africa and do a safari ride, visit the Tree of Life, or maybe go inside. We can watch Festival of Lion King and sing the Circle of Life, walk the gorilla trek and see more wildlife. We will venture over to our time rover, because Dino Land will have a Kathleen and Megan takeover. I hope to visit Pandora and ride some banshees. The Navi River journey is always a good time guaranteed. But we won't be visiting the animals. We won't only be visiting the animals today because we have one more surprise tonight. Hooray! Tonight we will visit one other park on a new journey we will embark. I will keep this activity a secret a little longer since this will make your anticipation stronger. Thank you for all your hard work through the years, and remember tonight to wear your sorcerer Mickey ears. Okay.
Okay, our bus is supposed to be here in a minute. Woo woo, Animal Kingdom. We're off to Animal Kingdom. Also, they have a new photo op over there. It's Lion King. So we're starting off this beautiful morning with a very empty space here. In Animal Kingdom, we're gonna head to Flight of Passage, see if we could rope drop that. What time is it, Mom? It's 8:35. Park is supposed to open at 9, so hopefully we'll be able to get on with a shorter wait. And we have our fast pass for Navi River journey. We should really do a Zippity Bug because I said that we could go inside the Tree of Life.
Okay. That was, I always have to go like this, and it.
I know, I have to stand up. And also the big, I don't know why everyone was going to the left. Look at all these people coming from the left. The Tree of Life.
Yeah, that's absolutely.
If you ever get lost in the morning, just follow the crowds of people. They will lead you to Pandora.
Oh my God.
Speed walking. So it's currently like 8:38. The park opens at 9. This is the line for Flight of Passage. Keeps going. It said it was like an hour. I bet it goes all the way to Africa. So we're finally making it to the end of the line. At last I see the light. Bye, duck. So, update, it's been 14 minutes since getting in line. Not bad at all. 75 minutes. It's been 22 minutes so far, and we're just about to enter in. Also hoping that we get to see the animatronic today. Oh, that fan though, because it's nice and toasty. Good morning. Oh, the smells, the sounds, everything about Pandora is incredible. And these fans are incredible. Sorry if this is like jerky movements too. I'm just really excited. Okay, update. It's been 28 minutes and we're inside the cave now. Ooh. The last time we were here in the standby line, and my friend Catherine would remember. Oh, there's also, Mom, do you need to fill your water?
No.
Our friend Ronald. Oh, it's so cool in here. This is the kind of lines I like. Ooh. In we go. Science. Although I do appreciate walking fast, I wish I could actually take some time to look at this stuff, because we never go through this line. There I am. And our buddy here, this really amazing animatronic. Sure. More science. Into the link chambers.
So that wasn't too bad, thank you.
What time is it?
I think 25 after.
So it took 42 minutes to get to the link chambers.
A banshee. The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start
Those
scan.
arms. Oh, it looks like I have them.
You've all got them.
Oh no.
But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stay still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
That feels nice though.
Please do not wear them in this room. You only need them in the next room once you are seated on them.
Here we go. So it took 1 whole hour to do the line and the attraction. So to go through all the pre-show stuff, to go through the queue, it's about 1 hour later. So we have a fast pass for Navi River Journey, which we're going to go to like right now. And then we have a fast pass for the safari, and so we're gonna hang around Pandora and Africa. And Flight of Passage is always so good. It actually felt a lot longer to me this time, and what was really interesting is that my face definitely got wetter than it normally does on this ride, but it was definitely worth it. We'll have hit both Avatar rides within the first hour and a half of the park opening, which is amazing. So we're walking past Flight of Passage again, and it says it's a 135-minute wait, so over 2 hours. We're off to Navi River Journey, and look at this. Oh, beautiful. Oh. Thank you. And that was a 60-minute wait, I think, for Navi River Journey. The line was outside the queue. You could see people here. But hopefully we'll just sort of walk up to the front. The one thing I love about the Pandora queues, though, is just how immersive they are.